Do you know about the new R&D tax credit? If you don't, you could be leaving $250,000 on the table. The R&D tax credit is a new credit available for small businesses to help them offset their research and development costs. This credit can give you up to $250,000 back. Am I eligible? In general, there are 3 requirements you need to meet in order to qualify for the research and development tax credit. First of all, you need to have gross receipts for less than 5 years. Secondly, you need gross receipts of less than $5 million. And you need to actually participate in qualified research and development activities. You should definitely learn more at the IRS website because that's where you can find out if you have qualified research and development activities. Companies in the technology and science industries are most likely to qualify for the credit. However, companies from any industry can qualify. So how do I get the credit? First of all, you need your accountant to conduct an audit of your business to make sure that you're actually performing qualified research activities and see how much credit you can claim. Then they're going to file Form 6765 along with your business's annual income tax return. The credit that you claim this year is based on your research and development activities from last year. So if you want to start claiming, it's important that you do the audit from last year's expenses. How do I get the money back? The short answer, payroll. This is a credit against your Social Security taxes, so after the end of the quarter, when you've paid all your taxes, the IRS will refund you back all of the taxes that you have a credit for. However, it is possible to claim the liability as you go, and that's what Gusto has available for our customers. So instead of waiting for a refund, you simply get the credit every time you run payroll. Does unused credit expire? Unused credit rolls over year to year. How does this work with my payroll provider? Well, it's important to let your payroll provider know if you qualify for the credit and are choosing to claim it. That way, they know to file the proper forms along with your taxes to let the IRS know about it. Does Gusto support the R&D tax credit? Yes, Gusto supports this. Make sure to get that audit done with your accountant and prepare Form 6765. Then we can file Form 8974 along with your 941 and all your returns to make sure the IRS knows about your credit and everything's filed. Got small biz questions? Ask Gusto. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to quickly learn how to become a payroll pro.